Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about checkbox in AWT, part of programming in Java course. A checkbox in AWT is a component that allows the user to select multiple options from a list of options. The checkbox class is used to create checkboxes. And here is an example of creating a checkbox and adding it to a container. In this example, the myFrame class extends the frame class and overrides the constructor. Inside the constructor, the setSize, setTitle, and setLayout methods are called to set the size, title, and layout of the frame. A checkbox is created with the label selectMe and added to the frame using the add method. You can also check or uncheck the checkbox programmatically by using the setState method and passing in true or false. You can also add an item listener to the checkbox to perform an action when the checkbox is selected or deselected. Below is an example. In this example, an instance of the item listener interface is created and registered with the checkbox using the add item listener method. When the checkbox is selected or deselected, the item state changed method of the item listener is called, where you can perform the desired action based on the state of the checkbox. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.